Hi, my name is Bridget Cavan, and for my 10 words, the first picture I picked was for bat, and this is what I thought of when I think of a bat. I don't like them, they scare me. Um, the second word was plane, and this is what I thought of when I heard the word plane. I didn't think of like a plane in the sky, I thought of like a plane or a field. For ant, I just thought of a little ant on a leaf, so that's what I found. And then for the word crane, I thought of a bird. That's the first word that came to my mind or picture was this bird, which is a crane. And then date, I thought of the fruit. So I just found a picture for that. What came to my mind for bow was like a bow and arrow. So I just found a picture of a bow. And then when I heard the word ball, I thought of a ball that you would dance, not like a ball that you would play on a basketball court. And then for flour, I heard the word flour and I thought of flour for baking and like cooking. And then hair, some long, pretty hair. And then for mail, I thought of like your email, not like the mail you would take to the post office. And those are my 10 words.